Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving you control the exact site URL and prepping payment identity. This speeds verification. First, confirm ownership in Google Search Console for the precise domain and variant. Once done, paste the AdSense page-level code into your site header or deploy it with your tag manager, then publish. While that propagates, prepare a clear government ID, bank details, and any tax forms so you can complete account setup immediately when prompted. Next, focus on the technical middle steps that cause most delays. Add the meta tag or AdSense Java script to your site head, then clear any CDN or WordPress caches and request indexing in Search Console so Google recrawls quickly. Also upload a correct ads. TXT file to your root with your publisher ID and publish a privacy policy plus contact page. Google checks these for policy compliance. Make sure responsive ad units are used so ads can render across devices during the check. Finally, complete verification by watching the AdSense account for status changes and following any specific instructions. Once Google detects your code and content, verification will update. If it fails, check for URL mismatches, blocked robots or CDN rules, and DNS propagation problems. If you still see issues, re-request a review and include screenshots and steps you took. One key tip: try the site in an incognito window and run a live URL test in Search Console to reproduce problems before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.